So yes, as I have already discussed with you that this video is based on numericals of chapter electricity. So before going to different numericals, we should know that the formulas. Here 12 formulas are 11 or 12 formulas are there. Those are the major formula of this chapter. And there is a more sub formulas, few sub formulas also mentioned here. Like first one, I is equals to Q upon T. इसका सब फॉर्मूला बनता है Q is equals to IT और T time is equals to charge upon electric current. V is equals to W by Q or W is equals to VQ is a sub formula or Q is equals to W by V. Wow. Similarly, these are various formulas are here. I hope you all are aware about this. So first we should note this, then we'll discuss the question. So our first numerical is that charge on one electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb, and how many electrons should passes through a conductor in 1 second to constitute 1 ampere current. First we have to find out what is given here. Given here charge on Q on 1 electron. It is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. That is given. Then they are asking time. Time is given how much? It is a 1 second, and the current I is given. It is 1 ampere. So a very simple formula is that Q is equals to IT. Let's discuss. Let n number of electrons are required. You can say are required. So what is here means we will write n into Q is equals to Q charge on one electron, number of electrons. This is, so it is a total charge, and formula is Q is equals to IT. We are aware. So yes, Q n. If you find the value of n, n will be what? I into T upon Q. Solve करेंगे. It is 1 into 1 upon 1.6 10 to power minus 90. Further solve करेंगे, we will get 1 into 10 to power 19 upon 1.6 और इस वैल्यू को सॉल्व करेंगे, so we will get the answer. It is 6.25 into 10 to power 18. So this is the answer. This is the number of electrons. Approx it is a 6 into 10 to power of 18. We can't say 6.25. It is 6 into 10 to power of 18 number of electrons. They possesses the charge of 1 coulomb also. This kind of a question is given in the NCERT book में. हमारा शायद एक क्वेश्चन ऐसा दिया हुआ है. So yes, the next numerical, the potential difference across a lamp is 12 volt. How many joules of electrical energy are changes into heat and the light when? First part, charge of 1 coulomb passes through it. Charge of 5 coulomb passes through it, and current this is. So let's start the first. Let's discuss the first A part. A, what is given here? It is given here V is given 12 volt. First 12 volt given. Charge Q is given how much? Charge is given 1 coulomb. And they are asking what? They are asking energy. Energy का formula we all are aware that W is equals to VQ. और VQ से solve करेंगे, that is 12 into 1, that is what is 12 joules. The first part. Second part or the B part बिल्कुल same as it is है, कुछ भी नहीं. I hope you can do it. We are using the similar formula. W, V is given 12 and Q is given how much? Now Q has changed, it's a 5 coulomb, and we get the answer, that's a 60 joules of energy will convert into heat or the light. Third, the C part. C part is given current of 2 ampere. What is current of 2 ampere? That is I is equals to 2 given hai. Time is given 10 seconds. T is 10 seconds. And they are asking what? They are asking energy. That's W. So first of all we have to find out here Q. यहाँ से हम Q फाइंड करेंगे तो Q कितना आएगा? Q इज इक्वल्स टू IT से निकालेंगे तो Q इज इक्वल्स टू IT फाइंड करेंगे. I इज इक्वल्स टू 2 and this is 10. So ultimately you are getting 20 coulomb charge. As we know the potential difference V is given 12 volt. So W फाइंड करेंगे. The W will be V into Q. V is given 12, Q is given 20. So ultimately we get the answer 240 joules. So these are the numericals. Those are very simple and directly based on the formulas. An electric iron draws a current of 3.54 amperes from the supply of 220 volt potential difference. Right. What current will this electric iron draw when connected to a 110 volt supply? So what is given here? It is given here I. I is given how much? 3.4 amperes. V is given 220 volt. We can say V1. Another side, V2 is given 110 volt. They are asking I2. I2 पूछा गया. One simple comparison से भी कर सकते हैं इस क्वेश्चन को. और another way is that we should find out R. R find करेंगे. R is equals to V upon I. V upon I solve करेंगे. V की वैल्यू दे रखी है 220 divided by 3.4 solve करेंगे. So yes, we can say it is 2200 upon 34. Solve किया this कटा and you will have 6 then 4.7. This is our answer. That's resistance is 64.7. Now from there we know that R की वैल्यू आ गई 64.7 और this is I find करेंगे. That is I2 is equals to again V upon R. V upon R or V is 110 and this is 64.7. Solve करोगे तो its a value will come 1.7 ampere. When you solve this you will have the answer. How do I got it? मैं तो सिंपल कंपेयर करके इसको फाइंड कर लिया 110 वोल्ट एंड 220 वोल्ट. सीधी सी बात है. पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस कम हो गया, जस्ट हाफ हो गया, सो करंट भी हाफ हो जाएगा. बट कैलकुलेशन वाइज इफ यू कैलकुलेट इट you will find the value that is 1.7 amperes. A potential difference of 10 volt is needed to make a electric current of 0.02 amperes flow through the wire, right? What potential difference is needed to make a current of 250 milliamperes? So question is into two parts. First of all, what is given? There it is given V. V is given 10 volt and current I is given 0.02 amperes. यहां से हम R फाइंड करेंगे तो R इज इक्वल्स टू हो जाएगा V अपॉन I. V इज इक्वल्स टू IR से. V की वैल्यू दे रखी है 10 and it is given 0.02. सॉल्व करेंगे, 2 0 ऊपर चले जाएंगे. योर आंसर इट विल बी 110 into 100 अपॉन 0.02 into 100. तो ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. मीन्स it is 1000 upon 200, दो प्लेस के बाद डेसिमल कैंसिल हो गया, दिस इज 2 और इट इज अ 500. सो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस, सॉरी रेजिस्टेंस हमारा कितना आया, इट इज अ 500 ohms from the calculation. Now put this value here. Now what is here? This is I. I is given how much? 250 milliampere. इसको कन्वर्ट कर दिया, इट इज 250 अपॉन 1000 एम्पियर. रेजिस्टेंस इज गिवन 500 ohms. Asking the potential difference, it is V is equals to I R. I की वैल्यू हमने फाइंड की, इट इज 250 अपॉन 1000 and R is 500. कट किया, 1 जा, इट इज 2 जा, और सॉल्व करेंगे, यू विल हैव आंसर 125 volts. In this next numerical, a copper wire 2 meter length has area cross section 1.7 10 to power of minus 6 meter square, has resistance of 2 into 10 to power of minus 2 ohms, and we have to calculate its specific resistivity. So again, what is given? Given here length, length is 2 meters. Then what is given here? Area cross section A is given. How much it is? 1.7 into 10 to power minus 6 meter square. And next is given, resistance is given 2 into 10 to power minus 2 ohms. And they are asking resistivity. Again, it is based on direct formula. Resistivity, that is rho is equals to RA upon L. R की value we are aware, that is 2 into 10 to power minus 2. Area cross section 1.7 into 10 to power minus 6 meter square, and the length is 2. So yes, 2 से 2 कट गया, and we are getting answer 1.7 into 10 to power minus 2 और minus 6 दोनों जुड़ जाएंगे, and you will have 1.7 into 10 to power minus 8. Its a unit is ohm meter. Since wire is doubled up, by folding it, calculate new resistance. Let this is a wire and having the length, what is length is L, area cross section is A. What we can say, L1, L1 is equals to, when its state was L, A1, that is A, right? And what about the R1? R, it was, or R1, what is R1 is R, 6 ohm, right? And it also has a specific resistivity, definitely it is a same. Now similar wire is there, they are saying now we are bending this wire. हमने इस वायर को बीच से बेंड कर दिया, और जब इसको बेंड कर दिया, now what happens? This is a new wire when we bend it. Now length, the length becomes L by 2 half. And what about the area cross section? Now this area cross section becomes 2A. In second case, what is? In second case, length L2 you can say it is L by 2. A2 is 2A. Rho was Same. There is no change because metal is same. And what is the resistance? We have to find out resistance. What is that? Now, from this formula, we know that there is a formula R is equals to, यहाँ से R is equals to rho into L upon A. एक सिंपल फार्मूला होता है और इसकी वैल्यू क्या है? यू कैन से R की वैल्यू 6 है, इज इक्वल्स टू रो into L upon A. This is a equation number 1. We can say equation number 1. Here you can find, यहां से हमें क्या मिला? R मिला. R is equals to rho is the same, length by 2 and area is 2 into A, 2A. This is, or we can say it is rho L by 4A. This is, now this one is a second equation. You can say this is a second equation. Now divide equation 2 by 1. 2 by 1, that is हमने 2 by 1 से divide किया. R is equals to what is rho L upon 4A divided by this 6. That is next one 6. इसका भी yes rho into L और A ऊपर चला जाएगा. क्या कटा? रो से रो कट गया, L से L कट गया, A से A कट गया, and we are getting answer R by 6 is equals to 1 upon 4. तो यहां से वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे. R will be 6 upon 4, that is 1.5 ohm. This will be answer 1.5 ohm.